My fellow cavaliers, brothers and sisters in the long gray line, hear this, not with your rank, but with your conscience. Our country is bleeding and it needs our help. Corruption has spread across the entire government, robbing our people of lives, homes, livelihood, and even hope. The harsh truth is this: corruption thrives because too many good men and women choose to remain silent. But we PMA graduates were not raised to be silent. We were forged into an ideal under one sacred banner: courage, integrity, loyalty. We swore an honor code that says, we will not lie, we will not cheat, we will not steal, nor tolerate those who do. By our silence, we have tolerated the liars, we have tolerated the thieves, we have tolerated those who plunder our nation. What happened to the courage we once carried with pride? What happened to the loyalty we pledged to the Filipino people? What happened to the integrity we said was non-negotiable? My fellow cavaliers, this is the moment when the country looks to us again, not for power, not for force, but for moral leadership. Are you all right, sirs? Mabuhay ang sambayanang Pilipino.